Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to erase cookies in the Opera browser. If websites are not loading properly or you are facing login issues, erasing cookies can fix it. To erase cookies in Opera, first open Opera browser. After that, click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, and in the drop down menu select settings. After that, click privacy and security. On the right, click on delete browsing data. Now under basic, you can select time range from last hour to all time, and then check this one option, cookies and other site data. Ensure erasing cookies will sign out of most of sites. After checking this one option, click on this one delete data button. That's it. Opera will automatically erase cookies from your browser. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.